Hey there, savvy investors. Welcome to the channel where we uncover the latest trends in tech and finance. Today, I'm diving into how you can get rich with AI in 2025. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech geeks anymore, it's transforming industries across the board. From healthcare to finance, AI is driving innovation and opening up massive opportunities for investors like you. First up, let's talk about AI in healthcare. Companies are using AI to develop new drugs faster than ever before. Imagine investing in a startup that cracks the code to curing diseases. The potential for returns is immense. Next, let's dive into the finance sector. AI algorithms are revolutionizing trading by analyzing market data in real time. They can predict stock movements with incredible accuracy. Investing in AI-driven financial firms could see your portfolio skyrocket. But it's not just about stocks and startups. Think about AI in logistics. Companies like Amazon are already using AI to optimize their supply chains. Investing in these logistics wizards can bring in steady long-term growth. Now let's talk about smart homes. AI is making our homes smarter and more efficient. From smart thermostats to AI-driven security systems, the market is booming. Investing in companies that are leading this charge can be very lucrative. But here's the kicker. AI is not just for big players. Even small businesses are leveraging AI to boost their productivity. Look for niche markets where AI is being adopted. These could be hidden gems with high growth potential. So how do you start investing in AI? First, do your homework. Research companies that are at the forefront of AI innovation. Look at their growth potential, their technology, and their market position. Second, diversify your investments. Spread your risk by investing in different sectors and companies. This way, if one sector takes a hit, your entire portfolio won't suffer. Lastly, keep an eye on regulations. AI is still a developing field, and new regulations could impact the market. Stay informed and be ready to adapt your strategy as needed. To sum it all up, AI is revolutionizing the world, and it's offering unprecedented opportunities for investors. Whether it's healthcare, finance, logistics, smart homes, or niche markets, there are countless ways to get rich with AI in 2025. So, what are you waiting for? Start researching, diversify your investments, and get ready to ride the AI wave to financial success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more investing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.